It's your boy Waleed Talks Finance, and today we are going to be talking about a new best alternative AliExpress dropshipping compared to Oberlo. It's going to be Spocket and their must-have Chrome extension AliScraper. This is going to be an in-depth review of Spocket and especially their Chrome extension AliScraper. I'm going to leave a link in the description for a free trial so you guys can sign up to it. Basically, I'm going to go through it. This is a free Chrome extension in the Spocket app, and they have an amazing customer service. That this is one of the services that I do like. If you're familiar with Spocket, it's very simple. They have a lot of products on there, and they vet their suppliers, and they make sure that their suppliers are the best available. They ship from USA and EU. They have premium products, they have fast UAC shipping, and they also have affordable shipping. They have a lot of category from women's clothing, jewelry, tech, kids, toys, footwear, home garden, accessories, and even more. So recently they launched this in AliExpress. You can automate AliExpress dropshipping for 100% free. You can import thousands of AliExpress dropshipping products and then filter out what you want to do, and there's already 10,000 plus installs and over 108 reviews, so it is trusted. Once you're in the Spocket platform, you've used the link in my description to sign up. You're gonna go on AliExpress on the left hand side and click on download AliScraper for free. This is the Chrome extension. I've already downloaded, but over here it would say add to Chrome. Let's actually go on AliExpress and I'm gonna show you. For example, you go on aliexpress.com. Let's say you want a men's fashion, you want a t-shirt, or maybe you want let's talk any products, right? Bags, shoes. Let's say you're in the pet niche. Pet. And maybe you like this product. This is a high value product. This is a high perceived value because in pets products, a lot of people like to spend a lot of money on their pets, and see $13 Canadians about less, that's about $10 USD. I'm sure you can list that at $30 or $40 USD easily because such a good quality reviews. But let's say that this product was not available on Spocket market, so that is why they have it right away. So you're gonna see over here, import to Spocket, then it will automatically sync. You will log in, enter in your password. So once you have imported the product, you're gonna go back on Spocket, and in the import list from the left hand side, it's gonna be in the import list, and from there you can actually push the product to your store. From there in Shopify you can edit the prices and kind of use it as like Oberlo. But the benefit is that you are gonna benefit from the Spocket drop shipping customer service managers and customer service available to you. So if ever you have any issues, you can reach out to them and they will check on the status of the orders. They will talk to the suppliers for you, and even they will suggest you alternatives for examples. And for example, if they see that one product is becoming very popular, I'm sure that they're going to take in some notes and maybe bring on that partner onto a Spocket platform. So let's actually look at Spocket and their paid plans and how much it costs, because it is a paid service. So you can actually try it for free on the starter plan, so you can get email support. On the pro, you can get chat support, and Empire, you can also get branded invoicing and more unique products and more premium products available to you. And it's actually less expensive if you do the yearly plans. So you build annually, and then you can save 6 months off, 5 months off, 8 months off, depending on the plan that you choose. Pro Spocket has many online reviews, and it is a trusted type of website that I do recommend because you can sell with ease. It is up-to-date inventory. They have the best quality products. They have great profit margins, and they have super fast. They've been featured by Shopify, Forbes, GeekWire, and these very popular websites, and a lot of reviews online say it. And you can get samples from it, and it's very simple to connect your online store with this. What I've noticed competition like CJ dropshipping, it's that it is a steeper learning curve. I've actually made a separate video if you guys want to look at it, where I compare Spocket and CJ dropshipping if you guys want to. So finally, if you guys want to try the service, go ahead. In the description I have made a link for you guys. You guys can try out the service. I wish you guys all the best. Until next time, peace.